So I've got a package from Brett at SK Custom Knives. I already know what's inside, but you don't, and trust me, it's pretty awesome. This is the start of something special. Brett and I are working on a collaboration knife build, and it's finally my turn to jump in. What's in here is the foundation for that project, and it is going to make or break the final knife. This is layered, patterned, and forged by hand. Every strike of the hammer left a mark that I'm about to carry forward into the finished blade. The heart of the collaboration. Right now, it just looks like a block of steel, but inside are hundreds of layers just waiting to be revealed, and the only way to see them is to put in the work. Brett really came through, stacking, forging, welding these layers into a solid billet. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna take this raw piece of steel and push it to its final form. That's what I love about collaborations. It's like, passing a torch. His craftsmanship becomes the canvas for mine. A billet of Damascus pattern welded steel with more character than I can put into words right now. But once it's forged, ground, and etched, the pattern will explode into something unforgettable. Huge thanks to Brett at SK Custom Knives for trusting me with this piece. Go check out his work and stay tuned for this build. This one's going to be absolutely epic. I cannot wait to get into this more. Smash those buttons and make sure that you have notifications turned on, because you're not going to want to miss this. It's going to be an absolutely wild ride. See you next time.